Welcome to the video about the Samsung Galaxy M36 5G. Key features include Circle to Search, Google Gemini, and a 7.7mm slim design. The Samsung Galaxy M36 5G has a high customer rating, scoring 3.9 out of 5 stars based on over 3,400 reviews. Over 2,000 units were bought in the past month. Get the Samsung Galaxy M36 5G at a deal price of 14,999 rupees, a 41% savings from the MRP of 25,499 rupees. No-cost EMI is available on HDFC Bank credit card. Experience the AI monster with intelligent search using Circle to Search with Google and Gemini Live. Become a photography pro with AI-powered editing features like Object Eraser and Image Clipper. The phone boasts a monster design and durability. It is 7.7mm sleek with a plastic back and features Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, offering 4x better scratch resistance and 2.0 meters fall endurance. The monster camera setup includes a 50 megapixels main wide-angle camera with OIS and a 13 megapixels front camera with monster 4K video recording. Nightography is enhanced with AI Depth Map. Enjoy the monster display with a 6.7-inch bigger screen and Super AMOLED technology with Vision Booster. Slimmer bezels provide an immersive viewing experience, even in bright sunlight. The monster performance comes from the 4nm processor with a vapor cooling chamber. This ensures lag-free gaming and multitasking. The long-lasting battery supports C-type fast charging. The phone features monster software and security with 6 years of OS and security upgrades and knock security. It runs the latest Android 15 with One UI 7.0 and supports Samsung Wallet. Customer feedback highlights pros such as excellent value, clear display, and premium design. Cons include criticisms of quick battery drainage, heating issues, and mixed camera performance reviews.